Hi everyone, my name's Adofina and this is my new website. So I've put in about a month of work into redesigning my website and I feel very proud about how it's turned out. This is the home page and it features a timeline of my progress and accomplishments during my software engineering journey. Here's the About Me page. Honestly, I love to code, especially after learning it on I talk about how there's a couple different paths I want to explore, and it also has some of my hobbies. Here's the My Work page. So all of the projects I want to showcase are here. There are links to the source code, preview videos, and some of them have live demos that you can check out. You can view more information here and read about what my objective was with the project, how I implemented everything, what the results were, any challenges I had, and what I learned from completing the project. This page is where you can view my resume. You could look at it in the browser, or you can view the PDF, or you could even download it if anyone's interested. So this page you can contact me with. There's a form to fill out and it'll send an email directly to me. I'll respond to any emails as soon as I can. So this is pretty much it. I went with a space theme because I coded up this animation for shooting stars and I really liked it. I also tried to make some glass morphic panels to go with it. I think it turned out pretty nice. I feel good about it. So I do have some exciting projects coming up projects that I'm excited about. One of them is a neural network that I built, and it can classify images of numbers, and the only thing I need to finish is a little website where you can draw your own number and my neural network will try to guess what number it is. So once I finish it, I'm gonna launch it and make a video about it. And anyone who wants to can mess around with it, play with it, see how it works. Yeah. So that's about it. Thank you everyone for watching. If you're on my YouTube channel, subscribe if you want. And there's also a link to my LinkedIn if you guys want to connect. Thank you so much for your time. Bye.